Mizzou Law School has an irrefutable importance in the Missouri legal community. But I can also say, as someone who spends most of his time in California, that a Mizzou law degree travels.
I was born and bred in Rockville, Maryland, which is outside of D.C. I knew from the outset that I had an interest in working back home where I was from. So Mizzou did everything they could to try and place me in a firm that was where I was looking. And so I had no problems finding a job. The opportunities are limitless. You have this mix of downtown traditional law firm atmospheres. The government is obviously focused here, so there's tons of options here in D.C.
After graduation, I, unlike a lot of my colleagues, didn't stay in Missouri. I accepted a job working for the Nevada Legislative Council Bureau. Then after that, I moved to Washington, D.C., and I got a job working for Congressman Mick Mulvaney of South Carolina as his counsel. When he left, I also left, and I took a job working for Santander Bank doing government relations.
From graduating Mizzou Law, I had about another 3 months of training. From there, I went to Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. After 3 years there, I went to school for a LLM, was down at U.S. Marine Corps Forces Central Command. Then from there, I've been up here at the Defense Intelligence Agency, where I currently advise on national security issues.
Mizzou prepared me to enter the legal profession better than any school that I'd ever looked at. Going to Mizzou Law prepares you to pass any bar exam in the country. Their passage rates are through the roof.
Leaving Mizzou, you're on the same footing with your ability to practice law. Your instruction there is as strong as any other top-tier school.
You know, I wouldn't be where I am today without the law degree that I got at Mizzou. And I've learned so much, and I'm so happy with how my career has progressed because of my experience at Mizzou Law.